Hey YouTubies, it's Big Eddie. I've had several requests to do to show this kit, like an unboxing type thing. I already got it out here. I'm just gonna run over right quick. Never done these before, so I'm gonna try to make it quick and painless. Decals. You get quite a bit of different decals with this kit. Pretty nice decal set. Well, let's just pick up as we go here. Here's the interior. Door panels are pretty detailed. Seats are detailed. Nice dashboard, firewall. Back of the seats. Did have, well, I'll get to that in a minute. Here's the motor. It's a V6, and this is a turbocharged four-wheel drive. It's all-wheel drive, I should say, not four-wheel drive. It just says AWD. Here's the glass, which I'm not going to take out of the, but you got two sets of tail lights, and just a glass in general. Frame is separate. Here's the front A-frame assembly, springs, rear end. No flash at all on this thing. So, I'll show you the body. Not a lot of seam lines, if any. Two-piece tailgate, sides, box, hood. I think that's a console. Yep, it's a console. But body lines are really crisp on it. Looks nice, nice molds. The only problem that I did have, this is the front end. The front diffs right here. Differential. This part was broken when I opened it up. But it's an easy fix. Looks like a skid plate and a transfer case. What's this stuff? Oh, this is a turbo. A-frames, exhaust, power steering pump. You only get one set of rims. Grill shell looks pretty good. I like the chrome. The chrome looks nice. I guess I should have took it out of the box. I apologize for that. Or out of the bag. And what is this? Oh, the mirrors. It's a transmission cover. Looks like a turbo case. The body looks really good too. A lot of good detail on it. The instructions, there's 50 steps. I'm not going to go through everything here, but I'll just go over a little bit. 50 steps to these. And as you can see the layout, there's a lot of steps per page. A lot to that grill work. Look at that front end. A lot of stuff to do there. And, well, here's 50. That's just decal placement. The box does show, you know, it is a street sleeper. High performance 6-cylinder turbo. All-wheel drive. I wanted to show you a couple versions on the box. You know, that turquoise color looks pretty good. Alright, this is the next build I'm building. I didn't start on it because I had a couple people wanted to see. I like this version right here. That's probably what I'm going to do, only modify it a little bit. But anyway, you know, that's it. It's a very nice kit. We're going to start building it and just see how she comes together. This is one of my very few reviews. So I like the kit. Just came out, Monogram. All right, guys. I'm sorry to hold you up for 5 minutes. Big Eddie. Peace out.